What's up, guys? Tonight we are making
nachos. We didn't find the stuff in the water, but we have onion. What is this?
taco seasoning, original.
Original.
And 1 mile.
What? Who's gonna eat these?
Those black beans are for myself.
Good, because I don't like them. What are these?
Jalapenos are for me. Gourmet nacho for me.
Nacho cheese.
It's nacho cheese.
And 3 pounds of fresh meat.
Also got some bold nacho cheese, crunchy tacos, some Tostitos, bite size, party size, and some Southwest corn and peppers.
Did you get sour cream?
We did get some. I did get sour cream.
I drink that stuff like it's milk. Sour cream, not to be confused with Cool Whip. Listen, I would make Ace Champion proud. My buddy Ace, he always makes fun of me and always says how I'm gonna chop my paws off. But I've gotten better, I think. They smell pretty right, like you're You're gonna rinse the dirty onion. I don't. I really don't know how to use that. I really don't.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I almost had it.
Yeah, you're close. Bloop. This meat's gonna taste really good in my mouth tonight.
Got our finely chopped onions. Yeah. Ew. Don't slop them in my flowers. Twigs, you'd be so proud. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Some garlic powder.
Did you get my arm fat jiggling?
No.
Oh, it's there. It waves. I never used to do that. I used to go hi, and now it's like hey. There you go. Hey, sister.
All mixed and ready to eat.
Like this.
Okay.
Oh my God, you'd think I was a waitress. Because I used to be. What? Weird.
Is that enough meat?
I like my meat. You know that.
Okay, save some for me, hon.
There's 3 pounds.
Yeah, you just had 2.
Onions. I'm obsessed with onions. Did you want some onions?
Please.
There's plenty. Boop. That's all. I don't need sour cream for.
Black beans up in here. Jalapenos. Cheese. Some whipped cream. Sour cream. Voila.
You really have been watching too many videos. Get out of here. Hope you enjoyed our very first cooking video. We had a blast and lots of laughs.
I'm not doing dishes.